Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello fly babies, hello my patrons, hello my lions living in our new strength. It's me, your Flylady Kat. And I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, and it is a 3-layer cake. We have our routines, our basic weekly plan, which is errand day, and our zone, which is zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. So if you are going to follow this plan, you're going to get up before your family and do your morning routine, getting everything done from making your bed to emptying the dishwasher, cleaning the toilet and the sink, getting yourself dressed, made up. That's all in the morning routine. And then you're going to get your kids up because you're in control. You're going to wake your children up and put them through their morning routine. So their bed is made, the bathroom looks good, they look good, they've had breakfast, they're dressed. All right, the next thing you're going to do is if you're an at-home fly baby, you're going to check your planner to make sure everything looks good as part of your morning routine, so don't forget that. But you're going to start your laundry. While your laundry is washing itself, you're going to go through an inch of paper, only sorting, not going through it, just sorting it into action items, filing items, and trash. You're going to work on your zone 3, the bathroom and one other room, so you're going to pick either the bathroom or that other room you've chosen for the week and do one of the 4 jobs that you picked out for yourself at the beginning of the week, which is in your planner, so you know it, you know what it is. Don't put it off, do that little job. It's 10 minutes or less. Or if you haven't gotten to that point yet, you're decluttering for 15 minutes. Throw away, put away, give away. Those are your 3 boxes or containers. And at the end, you're going to complete your process by actually throwing that away, by putting the put away in the trunk of your car or in the back of your car so that on errand day you can take that to wherever it is you're going to take it. And the put away means you're going to take a few minutes to put things where they belong in the homes in your house. Okay, now we're going to go straight to our errands. So I'm having you do the zone before the errand because I want you to get all your things done in the home first before you go out. So errands include anything, like you maybe need to go by your P.O. box, maybe you need to go to the library, maybe you need to go to I don't know, the watch shop, whatever, some other thing you have planned. Maybe your husband asks you to pick up a tool for something, and then go get your groceries. And when you come home, you're going to put your groceries away. Then you're going to do, oh, I forgot to tell you, after the morning routine, everyone, we're doing a clutter check. Don't forget. Then after you've done your errands and you come home and you put your stuff away, do another clutter check. I know the kids have been with you the whole time if you have little kids at home, but you're still going to do a clutter check and say, uh-oh, let's put this up. Okay. And you're checking on yourself, especially in those areas that have been recently decluttered. You're going to really be hyper vigilant about those areas because you don't want them to get cluttered again, and you want that to be a habit, not to reclutter that. After the clutter check and after dinner, we're going to do our after dinner routine, which is a family affair. After that, another clutter check, and then the before bed routine for the children and the before bed routine for you. That's it. Now, if you're working, you're going to do the morning routine for yourself, the morning routine for your children, the clutter check. Then you're going to go to work. And when you're at work, you're going to think about the weekly home blessing hour and who you delegated that to, or if you have to do it. And on your lunch or your break or whatever, depending on where you work and how much time you have, you might be able to run some of those little errands. And especially you can go ahead and order your groceries. So that'll be something you can get done. Also, call your family on that second break. Remind whomever it is to do their weekly home blessing chore, the little thing, little item. Then when you get home, you're going to do a quick clutter check, and you're also going to inspect what you expect, and that is the weekly home blessing item. Did they do it? Remember, it's not about how well they did it. It's if they did it, if they made an effort to do it. And it's not going to be perfect. You don't want it to be perfect. This is just a blessing. Just praise them for doing it. Unless they just didn't do anything. You know what I mean? If they just threw something around and didn't really do it at all, that's not what I mean. There has to be an honest effort to do the thing you asked them to do, dust or wipe the spots or whatever, okay? Next is you're going to do your laundry. So get your laundry going. Either you have it preset and it's already gone through its cycle, and now you're going to put it in the dryer, or you're going to put it in the washer, listen for it, put it in the dryer, listen for it, hang it up, fold it up, put it away. That's going to happen. While that's happening, you're going to go through an inch of paper. Again, you're looking for items that require action or filing. That goes in your inbox on your desk. Anything else is shred or throw away, so you're going to take care of that. If you get through your paper, you won't have to do it. You'll just go through what comes in the mailbox, what you hold in your little hot hand, and you just sort it right then. All right, let's see. Next, we're going to make dinner. And while dinner is simmering or holding, you're going to spend 10 minutes in zone 3 doing one of those 4 jobs you picked out for yourself at the beginning of the week or at the end of last week. Or 15-minute jobs if it requires decluttering. And then after we have dinner, we have our after dinner routine. Again, that is a family affair. And then it's another clutter check before bed, and then a before bed routine for the kids, the before bed routine for you. And don't forget to look at your planner twice. All right, so you've got 3 checks of your clutter, 3 clutter checks, 2 planner checks. You've inspected what you've expected. You've gotten your zone done. You've gotten your weekly blessing, home blessing done. If your payroll, that one thing, maybe you had to do it, not the kids, but whatever. Hopefully you've delegated it. If not, it's just 10 minutes. You can do it, so that'd be 10 minutes there and 10 minutes in your zone, a total of 20. This is for people who work. If outside the home, if you're working in the home, your weekly home blessing was done Monday. Okay, let's see. So three clutter checks, inspecting what you expect of your children, making sure that your children realize they have chosen a consequence if they've chosen not to do what you've asked them to do. Again, that's their choice, not your fault. And that's it. All right, and check your planner twice a day. I can't say that enough. That's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous Thursday, and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.